Welcome back to a new video. I am out on the water today on the brand new kayak. I am doing a review of my kayak, my 2024 kayak fishing setup. So go watch that video. That video will be out first, but today we're actually putting it to use. We're gonna go fishing out of my new kayak. We are at Sparks Marina, and Nevada Department of Wildlife just stocked a couple weekends ago a bunch of trout. There was a ton of fish that got stocked recently. So I came out here and I'm gonna try and catch some fish from my kayak. Mainly I just wanna test the kayak, make sure it doesn't have a hole in it, make sure it floats and gets me around and just have some fun kayaking. But if I can catch some fish while I'm at it, that's gonna be an excellent surprise. So I'm going to paddle over. I launched on the opposite side of probably where I should have. There's Shields, and they stocked the fish right on that opposite bank. So I'm kayaking all the way across the lake, and we're gonna try and catch some trout on power bait, rooster tails, spinners, crankbaits, whatever they'll bite, I'm gonna throw and try and get some. So y'all stay tuned. It's gonna be a fun day. Hopefully we can get on some fish. Y'all stay tuned. It's the first or second warm weekend we've had in Reno pretty much all year. Because it's the warmest weekend of the year, there are people everywhere. There are bike riders and dog walkers and joggers, and the fishermen are lining the bank. So I figured, let me give myself an advantage here and get on the kayak where people can't go. I see one other kayaker out on the lake so far. That's pretty much it. I decided I'm gonna give myself an advantage. Let's go out in the deep water, you know, where all the bank fishermen can't go. I'm a bank fisherman pretty much by trade, and trust me, when you can get out on the water and give yourself an advantage, it helps so much. So that's what I decided to do today. I feel like if I hooked a fish right now, a cormorant or even a seagull would try and steal it from me. Oh, spooked all those damn birds off. Have one of them get hooked. That would have been a real mess. I've done that before. It's not fun. Don't get caught in my line. Thank you. All right, I'm going to the canals to go explore the canals. This is pretty cool. Hello. Hi there. Catch anything? Oh, is there? Are they trout? Are they trout?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh wow. Do you mind if I cast in? Sweet, dude. Oh, that was a fish. Oh, it's bit. Took my bait. Oh.
You had some?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Pretty good size one too, I think. Damn.
Get him in. Oh, that is a good one.
What do you got? Would you like a piece of chicken for you?
Sure.
I put a little piece.
Okay.
I got 3 for you.
Oh, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
It was. Hey, perfect. That one.
Yeah.
Feel like this is gonna be another one. Gotta catch me a big one. If I catch a big one, that's going on the grill.
Yes, sir.
Aluminum foil. Sweat it, so it's good.
Yep. Got power bait on this time. Oh yeah. Just got bit. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Taking it. Let him tweak it. There we go.
Probably what, 50 cents of the day?
Yeah. Oh man, that's a nice one. Come on, get in the boat. Get in the
Doing
boat.
the same thing, just a little indicator, some balls.
Nice.
I got a 18-incher. Nice.
Hell yeah. First fish of the day. Thanks, you too. All right, first fish of the day on the new kayak. Beautiful. Wait, wait. Oh, and back he goes. That's all right. First fish on the new kayak. Oh, let's go. Stoked about that. Huh?
That's a bad little canoe right there.
Yeah?
I was gonna go buy one today, but we're moving houses.
Yeah.
I also have a lake on the other house, so.
Thank you so much,
Yeah,
man.
you're welcome, man.
I appreciate it. Alright, let's try to braid.
The fish has it in his mouth.
Does he?
Right now, yeah, he threw it out. Another one caught it.
Oh yeah, I can feel him. Oh,
You
yeah.
got one?
I think so.
He's struggling over there. I think you got him. He's hooked.
Yep.
Yeah.
There he is.
You got him. Yeah, he's hooked.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you're that little bread. They look crazy.
Yeah, they do. Man, these fish fight. Oh, he's under the boat. There we go. Fish number 2 for the day. Going back in the drink.
Right there. There's like 20 right there.
Yeah.
They already have it on their mat once. They dropped it. It disappeared. I think one's struggling right now.
Yeah, I can feel him. Yep, getting bit. Yep, right. Oh, yep. There he is. Fish on. Fish number 3. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Look at there. Looky there. Fish number 3 for the day. Nice little trout. See you later, buddy. Yep, there he is. Another beautiful rainbow. Caught at Sparks Marina. Sparks Marina kayak trout fishing turned out a lot better than I was expecting, honestly. I've never had the best of luck fishing for trout out of the marina, and today I blew it out of the park. Thank you so much to the gentleman that lent me some bait and let me fish near his place. If it wouldn't have been for him, I probably wouldn't have caught anything today, so thank you so much to him. Bread on little salmon egg hooks did the trick today. I do really want to come back out here and maybe not necessarily target trout, but carp or smallmouth bass is what I want my target species to be here. If you guys want to see me take the kayak out here to catch smallies and carp, let me know, because I really want to do that. The kayak loaded up in the Suburban, get home, clean these fish, and eat them up either tonight or tomorrow. But yeah, that's going to be the end of it. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Wild Warner Outdoors. I got a lot more videos I really want to plan. I really want to film this year, so stay tuned, and hopefully I can get you guys some more content coming out here soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. And remember, folks, stay wild.